what I recommend for baking a pie from frozen is you just bake it. It's not difficult. I personally don't thaw my pies before. It doesn't change the time that much if you're going to thaw it versus putting it in the oven once your oven is preheated. The time difference is almost aces. So just put the pie in the oven. I put my pie on a little bit of a lower temperature. Some people recommend like doing a 400 temp. I stick with a 375. And then it's just watching it. So my pies that I make when they're frozen and I bake them at my house, because everybody's oven is going to be a little bit different. Nobody's going to know your oven better than you. But on average, my pies tend to take about an hour and 20 minutes. And the best way to know that your pie is done is not so much what you're seeing, what's happening on the top of the pie. It's more you want to know what's going on inside the pie. And that's tricky because you can't get in there. So now you're looking for some other key secrets. And that would be the venting, how much steam is coming out. And also more, are you seeing the juices starting to bubble out? That's the main secret, is you want the juices from your fruit to really start to ooze out, especially if you're baking a pie where the crust wasn't par baked before and you're not pre-baking your pie filling. You're using raw fruit, so you want it to get cooked all the way. So once those juices start to really ooze out and spill out onto your baking sheet, then you've got some action going on in there, and that's what you want to look for. And if the top is getting too dark for your liking or the edges are getting too brown, go ahead and put tinfoil over those little hot spots because you want those juices to spill out. That's how you know the bottom is done and the inside is done and won't be too watery and runny.